first day here in Brunei. And palpak again. Kahapon palpak. I don't have Brunei dollars. I had to walk from the terminal to the mall. Yeah, it's not so far. I was looking for a money changer, but they close so early, so I had no choice but to withdraw in the ATM. The second problem is my roaming is not functioning. I can't even receive texts. But today, I booked a tour. I messaged the guide since last night. He did not reply. I woke up at 3 a.m. and tried to leave and message him again. Sinin lang niya ako. Hindi siya nagre-reply. Hindi ko na sana problemahin kahit wala akong data kasi may tour na ako with Transpo yun. Pero pag wala akong tour, I really need the data because I need to search for the places and I need data to book a DART pero sana naman nag-inform siya kung hindi matutuloy so that I can plan a plan B last night. I did not research where to go because I believe that the guide will do all the planning for me. But yeah, he's not replying. I don't know what to do. Ganito talaga yung trip. May problems. So, wala tayong magagawa. Let's just face it. So, maybe I'll head out. I'll have no choice but to buy a SIM card. Then, just book DART. So, yeah. Let's go. So, yeah. When I'm about to leave the homestay, nag-reply yung guide. Ayoko nga sanang kunin yung service niya. Kasi, na-stress ako kahapon pa. Ayaw mag-reply. Namali daw siya nag-alala ng date. Pero wala akong choice. I really need a guide here. Kasi wala akong data connection. So, yeah. I'm now waiting for him. Sana dumating na. I haven't had my breakfast yet. Yeah, at least, hindi na ako worry na walang data connection and paano yung transpo. So, yeah. Update later. Buyers.
Kahapon, di ba may event dito?
Kaya lang sa tanda.
Video ko.
First stop.
Okay, just okay. Kamu bisa cakap Indonesia.
Iya, saya orang Indonesia. Enggak. Saya orang Filipina.
Ya.
Iya.
Tapi kamu betul tinggal di Indonesia kan?
Iya, saya tinggal di Indonesia 3 tahun. Gusto mo din po ako doon di pa-picture?
Boleh, boleh, boleh.
Tapi sa boleh ya?
Oke.
Iya.
Tapi
Saya,
datang Brunei lagi. Minimal.
ba, satu,
Thank you.
See you again this time.
Ako na?
Iya.
hindi ako marunong. Okay, kita. Thank you. Okay. Ubus na rin yung gas mo, kuya.
Gas po mura lang. Yung kan po. Ano po?
So, iikot lang tayo.
Opo,
Saan po kayo iikot? Banda?
Ilalim po.
Ah, okay.
Yung sa dark po, hindi mo sila nagtutur dito. Banda, malayo na po.
Ano na sila, talo na sila. Ang tour nila doon lang din yata eh.
Eh, mura lang naman po.
Uy! Kahit sa Indonesia, ganun din may bayad yung mga ganito, may toll. Sabi naman dito, ang yaman talaga nila.
Kahit po yan po yun. Refinery.
Maglalakad lang tayo. Carry lang naman yan.
Enjoy naman po maglakad yan, malilim na po.
Opo.
Dito lang po sa bubad yun.
My flight is at 7:45, so I was too early. But the so pretty. It's modernized. Not that much inside, but like they have a small lounge and their like chairs are so comfy. And wala masyadong tao, so hindi siya masyadong crowd. So you can go around even though the airport is small. It's great. Regarding the tour earlier, it was a good decision to get a tour because it's so hard to commute here because most people do have their own cars. So like, there's no need for public transportation. It was a good decision to have a tour. Sir Jay, muntik na niya ako But yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for accommodating me. And also kay Ray and fellow solo traveler. Yeah. So my thoughts on Brunei. It's pretty, it's clean, it's not chaotic, there's no traffic. Yung wala na masyadong magagawa sa Brunei. Pero hindi din kasi ako ma-party. Yeah, I'm actually more of a homebody. Though I don't travel, but like this is just like the most pinaka-travel ko. When it's regular days, I don't really go out. Yeah, I find Brunei okay. It's nice. Hindi din kasi lang ako dahil mag-work. So, and I survived without the data slow. Masaya naman. I think meron pa namang ibang pwedeng gawin. Pero yeah, I don't have that much time. So I'm going back now to Kota Kinabalu. Thank you, Brunei. It was fun. Wala ko masyadong pabili sa Brunei. Ang mahal kasi dito. Yan lang. Tapos na yun. If not, this will last me. Sayang may check-in bars. Sana pala ako ng 30 kilo lang. Pero yun, walang budgeting. Kaya honey carry yan. Bars. Wow, nice free drinks. Ignorant yun.
The guests welcome to Kota Kinabalu, where the local time is 20 minutes past 8 in the evening. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a final stop and the fasten seatbelt sign is switched on. Please check the seat pocket in front of you and the overhead lockers for your personal belongings before leaving the aircraft. Mobile phones may now be turned on and used. Thank you for choosing to fly with Royal Brunei Airlines. We look forward to seeing you again in the near future. Thank you and good night.